The potential for artificial intelligence to revolutionize business is undeniable. For example, AI can lead to much greater efficiencies, greater automation, and much improved customer outcomes. However, the allure of initiating large AI projects can lead businesses to overlook a critical step, which is starting small, often with a pilot, so that you can mitigate risks, optimize your resources, and build a very stable and firm foundation for scalable success. So how do you start off with selecting a pilot? Well, arguably, I think it's important to look at a low risk, high impact use case or series of use cases. So for example, an AI driven chatbot in order to interact with your clients 24/7 could be interesting. Or look at an AI powered document summarization tool, or using AI to generate meeting minutes, which improves efficiency for business teams. These use cases are all very low risk because they don't overall or impact on other critical systems within your organization, and also high impact by addressing key pain points such as manual workarounds or potential issues with customer satisfaction. Just like in one of the earlier videos, we talked about utilizing KPIs in order to validate the project, and this is very important even for pilot projects. So identify what are the key metrics associated with what you're looking to automate. Is it reducing a time to perform a process from 1 hour to 15 minutes? If so, quantify that. Nominate an accountable executive in order to sign up to that improvement so that they're on the hook to make sure that when you implement what you say you're going to implement, that you really get those benefits as well. It's also important, when we're on the subject of focus on accountability, to set a clear timeline and budget for your timeline, for your pilot. So for example, 6, 8, 10 weeks is often a good time to enable you to develop something straightforward, to deploy it, to test it, and to evaluate the benefits without it dragging on. After 10, 12 weeks, you should be able to really start to see the benefits of your implementation and then understand how AI really can help to improve your business, which will give you much greater insight so that when you start looking at the rest of your implementation and the rest of your projects, then that really facilitates and helps you to understand how to do things in the right way, because there's going to be a lot of learning points from that initial implementation. You're not going to get it completely right. You're not going to be as smooth as you would like to be. The team takes a while to become a well-oiled, well-drilled team that's used to doing these type of implementations, so that when you come onto project or mini project 3, 4, 5, 6, you're all going to be much better equipped in order to do it more effectively and more efficiently going forward. User feedback is also very key when you're shaping your implementation. So conduct surveys with internal staff or your external customers or clients. Understand those pain points. Understand where the real high impact wins are. That way that when you think about what you're going to do, you can tailor it much more towards solving the particular business problem that you're looking to solve within your organization. So in summary, select a pilot project, select it so that it's low risk, that it's high impact, that you're going to get real benefit from doing what you're going to do. Secondly, deploy it on a small scale. Implement it in one department maybe, and then roll it out to other departments so that people can start to understand how to best use something before it's rolled out everywhere. Thirdly, track your results. Use KPIs understand what you're trying to do before you do it, put numbers associated with it, and make sure that there is someone within the team who is accountable for realizing the benefits for what you do. And lastly, conduct user surveys, whether this is internal or external. Is it really helping? How's it helping? And how do you use that feedback in order to shape your future deployments? So in summary, rushing to scale AI without testing things out using a project is often a recipe for failure. Think big, but start small in order to enhance your chances of success so that you can unlock the potential for AI while also minimizing risk and paving the way for transformative and scalable solutions. I hope that that's been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.